Hi friends, this is Anna and
Kelsey.
Back with another stamping video. So I've had this Have A Hoot stamp set and I haven't had a chance to share anything in one of my videos made with it. So I started crafting a little while ago and I just couldn't stop. I was having so much fun and I wanted to show you this stamp set. There's so many cute little things in here, I couldn't just choose just one for a video. So we have an assortment. We're going to make a fifth card that looks different from these four. So let's look at the stamp set first. It's called Have A Hoot. It's full of these adorable little owls and they're mainly for Halloween and Christmas, but you could use some of these for other occasions as well. So we have the little owl with the present, the one hiding behind a pumpkin. Here's one hiding from the spider, trying to get away from the spider. Here we have two little lovey-dovey owls happily cuddling on the branch. Here, the one with the moon and looks kind of like a vampire with its wing in front of its face. And the little Christmas Santa owls. And this one on the end is jumping up and his hat is way up above his head that I think is so cute. So then we have the different greetings. Owl I want for you is Christmas. Just a plain Merry Christmas. Have a Hoot on Halloween. I love this from All of Us and Boo. So I didn't get around to making one for birthday for this, but I think you can make birthday cards with this as well. Use this little one with the present, and you could use just a general happy birthday greeting from All of Us, and I think that would be adorable too.
Mommy?
Yeah, which one's your favorite, Kelsey, that I made here?
Probably this one.
This one?
I like the blue.
I love this one. Okay, so let's look at these real quick and then we'll make a fifth card today. So I made this one. I love this All I Want for Christmas Is You. So I wanted the two little ones that are cuddling, and I decided to use our Winter Snow embossing folder in the background, and I decided to pair it with our Balmy Blue Glimmer paper. I love how that turned out. So that one turned out really pretty. Here we have another Christmas one that I used one of our designer paper packs from the holiday catalog on this, and these little guys on the branch. So that one is lots of fun. Yes, sweetheart.
I like the blue, that one because it has a lot of blue and I like blue.
Yeah, I love that blue glimmer paper. It is fantastic. So this one, I decided I stamped the little guy with the gift and I punched it out with our postage stamp punch. And then I thought, you know what? I can make little gifts out of those postage stamp stamped pieces. So that's what I did. And then the Merry Christmas from All of Us. And here's a Halloween one. And then we're going to make another Halloween one here in just a second. So I used Have A Hoot on Halloween.
You can't
with,
really see it. I can't.
No.
Really.
Maybe I should have stamped it on another piece of paper and popped it up, but you can read it, I think. So I colored this little guy in. I colored all of these with my aqua painters, my water painters, they're called now. And yeah, just popped them up, added some of our iridescent pearls. And
these iridescent pearls.
It's a cute Halloween card. So let's get on with making a Halloween card with this stamp set.
Can I
Have a
color
Hoot.
it again?
You can color it. So let me show you what we need and then I'll let Kelsey start to color.
Can I go fill it up?
I think we're good for it right now.
Oh.
So I stamped this one and punched it out with our, I believe this is called the Everyday Label Punch. Sometimes I forget the names of our punches. So Kelsey is going to color this with the water painters right now. Can you show everybody the water painter?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's these fun paintbrush with the water included inside. And to get a little bit of ink on the top of your ink pad, you can squeeze it from top to bottom before you open it. And then when you open, you should have some ink there. You do have to squeeze pretty hard.
I can't do it.
You can't do it? No. So you can go ahead and start to color the owl. So if that doesn't work for you, you can use a block and press it right on your ink pad, and then you can use the ink from your block right here.
Color the whole thing?
Yep, color the owl brown, however you want to do, and then I was going to use some Cajun Craze. You could make his belly a different color if you wanted, or it can all be brown. And then here is some Daffodil Light for the moon. Okay?
Can I color the branch with the brown?
Whatever you want, my love. Okay, so we have a Cajun Craze card base, 5.5 by 8.5 folded in half. Here, I prepped this background piece with our cobwebs embossing folder. Love this for Halloween. So this piece measures 3 3/4 by 5.5.
Yellow eyes.
If you want yellow eyes, we can have yellow eyes, okay? Okay. Here is a little piece of our, I believe this pack is called Magic in the Night designer paper. This measures 1 inch by 4 inches. And I am going to punch the ends of this with our lovely Labels Pick a Punch. I love this punch, how you get the 2 different options. So I'm going to slide that in there till it stops, punch it, and we have a nice little designer end on the punch. Okay, very cute. So we'll lay that on here, and then we're going to put this owl over top.
When I get it colored.
With our little boo greeting. When you get it colored, yep. So I will go ahead and start assembling. I love, I don't know if you ever look at the back side of your embossed pieces, but sometimes it's hard to decide which side to put up, the embossed or the debossed, because they're both a lot of fun. So here's one of those situations where my Seal Plus was so strong it started to tear my paper right there. So I just lifted up, started over, and it was good the second time. Every once in a while that happens.
But I'm putting snail on paper too. And that happens. Almost done.
Almost done? Okay, so I have this piece on the front.
The blue?
Why don't we just leave it like that for now? Is that okay?
Yeah.
We could color in around if we wanted to, but
just put a little light blue.
Which I did with some of my other cards. But
just put a little light blue.
I say we just leave it like it is for this time. Is that okay? All right.
I need to do a little bit more.
Okay, she's gonna finish up. We're gonna put our little boo up here above the owl.
And these a little bit more.
Okay, good? Good. Okay. So I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals on the back here. We will pop this on that card. I had fun playing around, if you noticed on these cards that I made up, playing around with our different punches. A lot of our punches go really well with these owl stamps. So I'll bring them back in here at the end and we can look at them again. So I have some mini dimensionals on the back of our boo greeting. Stick it right there. And these dimensionals, I'm still talking about dimensionals. These pearls are a lot of fun.
I love them. They're iridescent.
Yes, they are called Iridescent Pearls. And they are in our holiday catalog and they're perfect for Halloween. You can use them for lots of other things as well, but great for Halloween, definitely. So let's add a few of those. And then I want to show you the inside of the card that I already prepared because it's adorable too. If I'm allowed to say that. So here is the front, the boo and the little owl. And when we flip to the inside, I use the Have a Hoot on Halloween and this cute little owl with the pumpkin. So I think this is such a fun set that you can use all fall and winter long. So here are the things I've created. Take a look at again. And here you can see all those punches. This one I just trimmed out in a rectangle with my trimmer. But then the rest of these I used assorted punches and lots of fun embellishments as well. Most of these embellishments, or maybe all of them, are actually in our holiday catalog. So I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe next time you place an order, you'll want to add the Have a Hoot set to your list. You can get more ideas and inspiration on my blog at scrappingstampingandstuff.com. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we hope you will join us again next time, right?
Yeah.
Yep, and maybe you'll be here again too, if you're not back at school yet. Have a great day, everyone.